Hi, what's your name and what company are you from?
Hi, my name is Talia Beder. I'm the managing director and founder of Scootopia.
Yeah, and just tell us a little bit about your company.
So Scootopia is an urban robotic micro-fulfillment provider. We provide basically logistics, pick and pack operations for small, medium, large and enterprise businesses in Australia.
And you just had a speech up on stage. How did that go? What was that about?
Absolutely. It was great. It was very good to speak here at CMAT and present what Scootopia is all about, which is basically enabling the fast, cost-effective delivery for last-mile delivery for end consumers. So at Scootopia, basically, we are solving the problem of, we call it the now generation, providing the service the now generation requires, which is fast delivery, cheap delivery, carbon neutral, and amazing customer service. And Scootopia enables merchants to achieve this through a network of urban robotic micro-fulfillment facilities. So we have a robotic fulfillment center in Alexandria that can do 15 to 20,000 orders a day, and we're launching next year in Melbourne and Brisbane similar facilities to enable online merchants reach their end consumer fast and at a cost-effective price per order.
Awesome. And how are you finding CMAT Australia so far?
It's amazing. It's been great to be here and connect with different suppliers, potential clients, and learn more about the community and connect with the community and understand where things are heading. And it seems like things are heading in an amazing direction for logistics in Australia.
Awesome. Well, I'll let you get back to the event. Have a great day.
Thanks a lot.